Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AWS Lambda and automate AI processing pipelines. Step to download AWS Lambda and automate AI processing pipelines. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lambda service. Click on the Create Function button to initiate the setup for your Lambda function. Choose Author from scratch to create a new function. Give your function a name that reflects its purpose, such as AI processing function. Select the appropriate runtime that matches your code requirements. Choose an execution role, which determines the permissions for your Lambda function. For basic setups, you can create a new role with basic Lambda permissions. After configuring these settings, click on the Create Function button at the bottom of the page. Next, you'll need to implement your AI processing logic. Scroll down to the code section in the Lambda function dashboard. You can write your code directly in the inline editor or upload a .zip file containing your code and dependencies. If using pre-built libraries or frameworks, ensure they are compatible with the selected runtime. Save your changes after editing or uploading your code. Now, set up a trigger to automate the function's execution. Click on the Add Trigger option in the Designer section. Choose the service that will invoke your Lambda function, such as Amazon S3 or API Gateway. Configure the trigger settings based on your automation requirements. Next, test your Lambda function to ensure it processes as expected. Click on the Test button in the top right corner. Define a test event that simulates the input your function will receive during execution. Run the test and inspect the results for any errors or issues. If the function runs successfully, you're ready to move to automation. Consider using AWS step functions for orchestrating complex workflows. Create a step function that defines the sequence of Lambda invocations for your AI processing tasks. Define the state machine in JSON format, specifying each step and its corresponding Lambda function. Deploy the step function and create events that trigger the entire pipeline. For continuous integration and deployment, use AWS Code Pipeline to automate your deployment process. Set up a pipeline that automatically deploys changes in your Lambda function. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.